It has been conceptualized to use the drone technology in agriculture for spraying insecticide, fertilizer, etc. One important application that I find of drones in agriculture is harvesting the crops like coconut, palm seeds, dates, betel nuts, ice apple, and jackfruits, etc. While harvesting the crop of these particular trees, from these particular trees, people are risking their life by climbing and cutting. We can devise drones to cut coconut, betel nuts, dates, palm seeds, ice apple, and jackfruits, etc. Thank you. This will be a very good application for in agricultural field, because Indian economy largely depends on agricultural products. Thank you very much.